Hello guys. Welcome back to my channel, Writing Practices. Today, we are going to learn how to write a permission letter for school activity. What is a permission letter for school activity? A permission letter is an official formal letter written to higher authorities in order to seek permission to attend an event, use a facility, ask for leave, etc., in this case as to do a school activity. A permission letter should be written in a polite tone. Here, Writing Practices will show you how to write a permission letter for school activity step by step. Check this out. First of all, write your contact information. You can either write it as a header of the letter or just write it on the left side. Here, you have to write down your full name. After that, write the company's or organization's name. Under it, write the address of the company or the office. It is important that you write the city, state and zip code as well. Now, write the phone number of the office. You can also add email address, but it is optional. After that, write the date today. In this example is December 20th, 2023. And then, continue by writing the contact information about the recipient. Yes, you need to write down his or her full name. After that, write also the school name since this letter is for a school activity. Don't forget to write the address of the school. Here, write also the city, state and zip code. And you may write the phone number or even email address of the school as well. These are optional. If you are done with your and the recipient's contact information, you may open the letter with Dear Sir or Madam. Or, if you know the name, just write Dear Mr. or Ms. or Mrs., followed by the last name of the recipient. In the first paragraph, introduce yourself first. Here, write your full name. And write who you are or what kind of relationship you have with the student you want to ask permission for. In this example, the writer is the father of one of the students. And of course you need to mention the student's name as well as the class too. And write the background of why you are writing this letter. There is something that triggers you to write this letter, so you have to mention it. In this example, the writer sent this letter because the students will be practicing for a stage drama. In the second paragraph, write what kind of permission you want to ask. In this example, the writer wants to ask permission to principal that his son can be a part of the drama in the performance. And you have to write the reason or urgency why the recipient has to approve your permission. In this example, the writer told the recipient that acting is his son's passion since he was kid. And write how meaningful it will be for your son and you to get the permission approved. So, write your hope that the principal wants to consider and approve this request. But, you can't tell the recipient to give your son a certain role. Just let the school decide based on his capability. For the closing paragraph, write how you are hoping to receive good news regarding this permission or request. And don't forget to say thank you. Finally, you can close the letter with sincerely. Put your signature under it. And write your full name too. So, that's how you write a permission letter for a school activity step by step. I hope this video helpful for. Thank you for watching, and see you soon.